Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And let me first of all maybe apply the composition lines, which is the green line. Basically, I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. To reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, so in the right upper corner, and then scroll down to the very bottom to tap on reset. Then confirm, and as you can see, this is the very first evidence that we just successfully reset the camera settings, because we have to agree to the network and location, the access to it. So just tap on agree, and right here we cannot see the grid lines or the composition lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.